Dear student, today we are going to learn one important theorem from 9th standard, that is isosceles triangle theorem. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it today itself. Let's start. The statement of this theorem is, if two sides of a triangle are congruent, then the angles opposite to them are congruent. What is given in this statement? There is a triangle whose two sides are equal, and we have to prove angles opposite to those two sides are also equal. So here we will make a triangle. You can see that I have made a triangle and I have named it as ABC. Now what is given in this statement? Two sides of this triangles are equal. So here I am going to take side AB equals to side AC. So what is given in triangle ABC? Side AB equals to side AC. Now what I have to prove? Angles opposite to side AB and side AC are also equal. So we will find out angles opposite to side AB and side AC. Look at this figure. Here angle C is opposite to side AB and angle B is opposite to side AC. So here I have to prove angle ABC equals to angle ACB. So what I have to prove? Angle ABC equals to angle ACB. Whenever you want to prove any two angles are equal, you need to prove two triangles equal. So here we have only one triangle, that is ABC. So here we want two triangles. So to get the two triangles, here we'll go for construction. What is construction here? We'll draw bisector of angle BAC. Look at this figure. I have made here bisector of angle BAC. So what is construction here? Draw the bisector of angle BAC which intersects side BC at D. Now we will go for the proof of it. So here we are going to prove triangle ADB congruent triangle ADC. Look at here, in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Here we are going to find out which parts of these two triangles are equal. So look at these two triangles. Here side AB equals to side AC, right? Why side AB and side AC are equal? It's a given. You can see the given part of this theorem. It's clearly given that side AB equals to side AC. So we can write here side AB equals to side AC. The reason is given. Now look at these two triangles. Here angle BAD congruent to angle CAD. Why these two angles are congruent? Because AD is bisector of angle BAC. Bisector means ray AD divides angle BAC into equal angles, and those two equal angles are BAD and CAD. So what we will write here? Angle BAD equals angle CAD. What is reason behind it? It's because of construction. Look at these two triangles once again. Here side AD congruent to side AD, right? It's a common side. It is side of both the triangle, and we know that every segment is congruent to itself. Therefore side AD equals to side AD. The reason is same side, common side. So these two triangles are congruent by SAS test. So here we can say that triangle ABD equals triangle ACD by SAS test. And we know that if two triangles are equal, then their remaining parts will also equal. So in remaining part we will take angle ABD equals angle ACD. So here we will write angle ABD equals angle ACD. Why these two angles are equal? Because they are angles of congruent triangle, that is CACT. The full form of CACT is corresponding angle of congruent triangle. And look at the original figure. In original figure, can you see angle ABD? We can write angle ABD as angle ABC, right? Same angle with different name. Similarly, angle ACD can also be written as angle ACB. So here I have proved it, angle ABC equals to angle ACB. So here I have proved it that if two sides of a triangle are congruent, then the angle opposite to them are congruent. Thank you.